So the total bid in the first round that has been submitted by the Lucky Cement is Pak rupees 101,500,000,000 only. 101,500,000,000 only. 101,500,000,000. 101.5 billion. 101.5 billion.
The authorized representative of Lucky Cement to please sign the record sheet as well. Now we move to opening of this.
The bid that the Pakistan Air Blue has submitted is 26,500,000,000. 26,500,000,000. 26500000000.
The authorized representative of Air Blue to please sign the record sheet. This leads us to the third and the final envelope. May I now request the authorized representative of AHCL to please come forward. PC official to please take out the bid. Please read it aloud.
The bid submitted by Arif Habib Consortium is 115 billion. Pak rupees 115 billion. $115,000,000,000,000. 115 billion.
All the bids have been opened, recorded, and the record sheet signed. We will take a brief break for the financial and the legal consultants to reassess, and then we'll come back again. Just 5 minutes break.
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।